Maybe I should just ride with the visor off for a while, just so I can get an idea about the wind noise and etc. Oh, it's something I really wanted to do for a long time, so finally I got this opportunity. Even on a 70, I got this opportunity. So yeah. Okay, so this is without the visor, and this is with the visor on. Now it's with the visor. I'm sure the sound is a bit bassy now, but anyways, we're headed to phase 2 to meet my good friend Kamil. Also, his best friend just died, so there's that. Well, but yeah, after we've started this vlog, now we need to find some themes for these videos. Like maybe we can talk about regular normal things in my life, or we can talk about movies and stuff. Come on. So I'm a relatively new rider, and I forget about my turn signal every once in a while, so bear with me. This guy is trying to turn without signals, so I'm not half as bad. Cordoba University. People be looking at me strange, like, what the hell is that thing on his helmet? Because it does rather look odd. See? It does look odd. Huh. UK68, that's a nice number. I hope the video is a bit stable, because this is the Hero5 and it comes with stability. By the way, I also forgot if I have turned that stability mode on or not. So either way, this video might turn to shit, or it may be a very good video. Al-Fateh. Oh, I hope this guy has seen me, because it would be rather bad if he hits me or rear ends me. Oh, that's really unsafe, by the way. Look at this guy. I'm trying to move my neck the least amount I can, so the video turns out good, hopefully. Look at these guys taking shortcuts. Are you stupid? Okay, so my bike is missing, as you can see. God. So there's some problem with the float valve in my carburetor, and as soon as I moved my fuel settings to reserve, the bike feels good. See? This is something I really need to figure out. Oops. The bumps. So I wonder what that is. the bike is missing when on position. I should put it back to on mode. If I drive slow, it's not half as bad. Come on. A shortcut. People are looking really strange at the GoPro. What the hell? Alright, I'm almost here. So, peace out. Ciao.